This is where I wanted to start. So there's a sale. So I was wondering why this one suddenly popped up in front of me. 80% off. It's on for $19.95. It creates a PLR store for you. And how many PLR products do you think you've got to sell to make back your 20 bucks? Yeah, maybe two. So take a look at this. It is from some well-known internet marketers. They've put this together as a complete set. And I'm going to scream to the top and work my way back down to that. It's all set up. You can just immediately have your own PLR store. That's cool. Storefront like that, you can see, ignore the little storefront thing on the top, but you can see the rest of it. There's the products, there's the info, check it out here. You can click and buy it. So you can see how easily it's set up and you can go in and edit these. There's a demo there you can watch, and I'm going to scream, everything's done for you, preloaded with 50 websites linked from the storefront homepage. So one central location for all 50 products, and pretty amazing setup. You can see here, these are all things to be big in demand, beginner online business, authority blogs, and so on. ClickBank success, traffic. These are all evergreen products, evergreen topics that people are always going to want to find out about. And here you go. You've got your whole website for 20 bucks. And you can edit every aspect of the storefront in seconds. Again, there's a demo video at the top. You can see the whole thing, but you go in. You can simplify it. It's hosted by them, or you can go in and edit it if you like. And the whole 9 yards. And scroll to the bottom, $19.95. So click the link in the video description. It'll take you to my site at marketingsharks.com for easy PLR store. And I'm looking down going, yeah, there's a bit of a description of it, an earlier video, and you can go check this out. $19.95 today, and it's called Easy PLR Store. Go click the link and check it out.